to my channel! Today, I'm going to unbox the power bank that I just bought. I'm happy to buy this because I think I really need it and it's very useful, especially when I go out for a longer period of time. Here it is. It includes this, the illustration, the power bank itself, so ayan, makikita nyo, yan yung ano niya, lead light indicator. So inclusions niya, syempre yung user manual, ito, with different languages in it. And here's the USB cable. As you can see, it has two universal USB port and one micro USB port. This time I'm going to charge it. So as you can see, the lead light, it's blinking, so it means that it's not full charge. When the light is steady, it means that it's full charge and ready to use. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching.